Have you ever wondered when the mighty dinosaurs roamed the Earth? Welcome to the fast-paced world of dinosaur trivia, where we'll dive into the prehistoric era and uncover some fascinating facts about these enormous creatures. So, buckle up for a journey back in time. Question 1. During which geological period did the dinosaurs dominate the Earth? Pause for a few seconds. An era dating back 250 million years ago and lasting up to 65 million years ago. This vast time span witnessed the reign of our giant friends. This era, a significant chapter in Earth's history, is decisively split into three distinct periods, symbolizing the progression of life and the evolution of our planet. The Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous periods each hold their own unique contributions to the Earth's narrative. The answer is the Mesozoic. Moving on to question 2, which was the largest dinosaur? Let's take a moment to think about the creatures that once roamed our Earth. Can you imagine a creature so colossal, it would dwarf modern-day elephants? A creature of such immense size, it could gaze over the tallest trees? Its footsteps would shake the earth, sending ripples across the water. Its sheer size would inspire awe and fear. Now imagine this creature as a dinosaur, a long-necked plant-eating dinosaur. The answer is Argentinosaurus. This long-necked plant-eating dinosaur could grow up to 120 feet long and weigh up to 100 tons. Question 3. What was the smallest dinosaur? To answer this intriguing query, let's delve into the fascinating world of prehistoric creatures. It's not the popular favorites like the T-Rex or the Velociraptor that take the title. On the contrary, it was a humble, bird-like creature that stole the show. This dinosaur, unbeknownst to many, was none other than the bee hummingbird. A tiny but mighty species, it defied the stereotype of gigantic dinosaurs. This petite dinosaur was only about 2.5 inches long, roughly the size of a contemporary hummingbird. Question 4. What does the word dinosaur mean? A fascinating linguistic journey takes us to the heart of this inquiry. In our pursuit of knowledge, we venture to the cradle of Western civilization, Greece. This ancient land, steeped in history and mythology, holds the answer. The word we are delving into originates from there, a word that has spurred millions of imaginations. Dinosaur, an intriguing term, is etymologically rooted in the Greek language. The Greeks, known for their vivid imagery, didn't hold back when they coined this term. They combined deinos, meaning terrible, and sauros, which translates to lizard, a clear testament to the colossal size and might of these extinct creatures. Dinosaur therefore means terrible lizard. Question 5. What was the first dinosaur to be named? This question reminds us of the rich history of paleontology and the inquisitive individuals who dedicated themselves to unearthing and understanding the mysteries of the ancient world. Their discoveries have allowed us to piece together a fascinating era, a time when these majestic creatures roamed the earth, defining and dominating the landscape. Our journey into this long-gone world starts with a particularly significant dinosaur. Pause for dramatic effect. The honor of being the first named dinosaur goes to none other than Megalosaurus, christened so in the year 1824. Let's ratchet up the difficulty a notch. Are you ready to dive into a prehistoric challenge that will test your knowledge and curiosity? We're about to plunge into the fascinating world of dinosaurs, a realm filled with magnificent creatures that ruled the Earth millions of years ago. So, brace yourself for our 6th question, a real mind-boggler. Which dinosaur, in the vast expanse of prehistoric time, had the largest brain compared to its body size? Let that question sink in for a moment. Now take a deep breath and unveil the answer to this intriguing query. That would be the Troodon, believed to be the smartest dinosaur. Question 7. Were all dinosaurs carnivorous? That's a question which takes us back millions of years into a world unseen by human eyes. Imagine, if you will, a world teeming with gigantic creatures, each with its own habits and survival strategies. Some of these magnificent beasts were indeed hunters, prowling through their prehistoric terrain in search of prey. But not all dinosaurs were so bloodthirsty. Many were herbivores, content to graze on the lush vegetation of the era. Some were omnivores, able to adapt to a variety of food sources. So to answer the question, no, dinosaurs had diverse diets. Some were carnivores, others herbivores, and a few were omnivores. Question 8. Which dinosaur is believed to have had the longest lifespan? This question piques the curiosity of both the young and old, the amateur enthusiasts and the paleontologists alike. It draws us back into the captivating world of prehistoric creatures that once roamed our planet. In this intriguing journey into the past, we uncover fascinating facts about these magnificent creatures, which are only known to us through fossil records. With each question, we delve deeper into their mysterious world. Pause for suspense. The answer is the Sauroposeidon, which is thought to have lived for up to 100 years. All right, proceeding to question 9. Are you ready for the next roar? The question is, which dinosaur, amongst the many that roamed our Earth millions of years ago, had the highest count of teeth? This seemingly trivial, yet intriguing question might have got you scratching your head. Is it the infamous T-Rex or the gentle herbivore, the Triceratops? Pause for a few seconds to let the audience ponder. But the true champion here, surprisingly, is the menacing Spinosaurus, with an astonishing number of more than 500 teeth. And finally, we arrive at our last question. Question number 10. When did dinosaurs go extinct? This is something that has fascinated scientists, archaeologists, and even kids for centuries. The answer to this enigmatic question lies buried deep within our planet's distant past, a past shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Pause for a moment to build suspense. It is believed, based on extensive scientific research and countless fossil studies, that the majestic, awe-inspiring dinosaurs met their unfortunate demise approximately 65 million years ago, marking the cataclysmic end of the Cretaceous period. In summary, dinosaurs were diverse creatures that lived during the Mesozoic era. They ranged in size from the tiny bee hummingbird to the massive Argentinosaurus. They had varied diets, and their intelligence levels also varied, with the Troodon having the largest brain relative to its body size. Dinosaurs lived for different lengths of time, but the Sauroposeidon is believed to have had the longest lifespan. The Spinosaurus had the most teeth, and all dinosaurs went extinct around 65 million years ago. Thank you for joining this prehistoric journey. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive and keep asking questions.